Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to manually adjust white balance on DJI Osmo 360. To do it, click on this adjustment button in the center of the right edge, right here. Click on Pro to enable Pro mode, then go to white balance. You can set it to AWB, which is automatic white balance, or manual white balance. Now you can manually adjust the Kelvins. The lower value you set it to, the colder the image will be, and the higher you set it to, the warmer it'll be. And of course, you shouldn't set it to as an effect to make it warmer or cooler. You can do that later in post-production. Here it's like the white balance. I would personally only adjust it to actually match the actual look of the light. So it's just accurate, and if you want you can edit in post-production, but here make sure to just adjust it to make it look great. Or if you're more experienced, you can experiment with it a little bit. Feel free to experiment with it, but it's best to just set it to something like that matches the actual lighting. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.